First, we'll open the glove box. On the corner, there is a damper that we have to pull out. Grab the damper from the bottom and then pull it outwards. There it is. Just push it a little upside. Now you would see on the corner there's actually a clip right there. What we do is we grab the clip and then turn it counterclockwise. Then pull it outwards. There it is. The first clip is taken out. Similar way, we'll need to take out the other clip on the other end. Again, we grab it, turn it counterclockwise all the way till the very end. And then pull it outwards. Once the clip is out, notice the glove box just falls down. Behind the glove box, notice there's that cover right there. On the right side, notice there are two tabs. Press and hold those two tabs and then pull the cover out from right side. Then pull it outwards from the left side. Cover is out and right there is our cabin air filter. Grab the filter and then slide it outwards. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. My filter is good, so I'll be installing it back, but if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure the arrow sign is at the front and it's pointing towards downwards. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side portion first, followed by punching in the right side and then sliding it down all the way till the very end. There it is, the filter is all the way in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Notice this cover on the left side has a tab. That tab has to be slided in that hole right there. We carefully punch in the tab inside that position. Then we close the other part of the cover until we hear a clicking sound. There we got the cover completely in position and it's also not coming out. Now it's time to punch in the glove box back to its position and we will be punching it back using this clip right there. What we have to do is, you see this position right here. We punch in this bracket making sure it's holding on to it. Holding it like that, we lift up the glove box. Bracket may hold on to your waist, so you may have to pull out the bracket a little bit. Then go a little more upside. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this bracket all the way in. Once completely in, then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, this way it is holding on to the glove box. Similar way, we will go ahead and punch in the other side bracket, which is right here. Again, we have to make sure this bracket completely goes in first. Then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that. Now you would notice the glove box is holding its position. After this, we need to install the damper in its position. We grab the damper and slightly pull it down on top of that tab. Then press it all the way down until it goes completely in position. There we got the damper in position as well. Now we are good to close the glove box. And that wraps up the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.